Hello guys, today is Saturday. We are 10 o'clock p.m. Eastern Time. So as usual, we begin our live. So hope the voice and the video is good for you guys before we begin. And as you might know, the subject of today is tips and tricks on losers and winners on trades. Now, in this live session, I will try just to explain a lot of things related to losers and winners, because there are a lot of myths, a lot of misconceptions, a lot of opinions that are false, and these opinions you find them on YouTube a lot, and a lot of people, they think that these are facts, but in real they are not facts. They are just things that are misleading. Okay, and we will be talking about this losers and winners. So Rahmatullah Modi, hello Rahmatullah. So I will try just to not talk too much tonight. We try just to give you some information. Now, a lot of you guys, when you go online and you see people online who are doing teaching, and they claim, they say, oh, I have made 75% winners, or 80% or 90%, or some people they say we never lose, you know, like this stuff. Now, even بكيتو صح عيدك بلاد وكل عام وانتم بخير، او العيد راه بالحد، العيد راه بالحد بعد الصلاة. انتوما دوكا مازلتو ما صليتوش العيد، صافي دير مازال العيد، يا بكيتو تلحقهم. So sorry for this between brackets, it's another language. So as we have said earlier, that there are a lot of ideas, a lot of opinions. You see them online and you think that these things are facts. Hello Jocelyn, how are you? You think that these things are facts, they are true things, and if we follow them we make money, but in the truth you will never make money from this kind of things. Hello Fabian, how are you? Bakito said we. No, not we. So Fabian, hello Fabian. So I'm telling you something. You find someone saying, for example, I have made 70% of winners. It means 25 losers. It means that he is making money. But this is not necessarily true. He might be having losses, and he might be making no money, but he loses money. So the idea of 75, let's say this guy has done 100 trades in a year. Like in swing trading, it could be 100, 200, 500, 1000, depending on how much stocks you bought and sold. So in swing trading or in day trading, it's the same. So we will see. Now we try to explain what is a winner. Okay? Because the definition of a winner, this is the problem. So if you, for example, I say to you, you have made a trade, you say yes, I have made a winner. And I ask you, how much money do you make? He said, I make $1. Just an example, okay? $10, $20, $100. So depending on how much money you have, let's say you put $10,000. $10,000 in a trade. The stock goes up, goes down, goes, okay, whatever it goes, and then you sold it. Although you have made money, but this, in real, if you have not make good money, this, it is called winner, yes. But in real, to make money, no. Okay? Jocelyn said, red eyes, my friend, you work too much. No, I sleep too much. I sleep too much, not I work too much. You know my work today, 2 hours that I do with you, like a live and explaining this is my biggest work in the week. In the whole week, I don't do nothing than searching for stocks if I want to. This week, in my portfolio, I change only one stock. When I see my stocks are doing good, that's it. In our live, in our trading account, this week, I sold one stock and I bought replace it and another one. So the whole week I didn't do nothing in our trading account. You see that? So my eyes are red is just because sleeping too much. That's why I have always my coffee. Anyway, and here, Jocelyn, here we are at hot weather today. I don't know, it's 85 or 90. I know the weather in in Canada is not that much, but here it's too much. Now, let's continue with the subject. We said that a winner. When we say a trade is a winner, not a loser, it's a winner. The definition, any trade that you do up, even if it is $1, it's called a winner. But in real, if you are making winners that have little money, this will change your account from a winner to a loser, because in real you are not making money. Okay? There are some people who can just buy a stock even for a few minutes, 1 minute or two. He is agreeing with $1, $2, $5. He can sell it and he is a winner. And in the dashboard, because some people they like to show their dashboards, and they say, oh, I have 70 winners, only 30 winners that are losers. But this doesn't mean that you are making money. And this is one of the problems that people face, because they don't understand just the simple thing, which is the difference between what is it a winner. Okay? Now, let's go now to the opposite side, a loser. Okay? If you lose even $1 or $2 or $5 or $100 or $200 or $1,000, all these are called winners. But there is a difference. There is a difference between when you lose $10 or $20 or $100 and when you lose $1,000, $2,000. Now I'm speaking about the same amount of the trade. For example, let's say you have you put $10,000 in a trade. Just an example, okay? Let's say one of the guys, we have, for example, 3 guys or 5. So when they lose money in a trade, all of them are called losers. If someone, all of these guys have bought a stock, they put $10,000, okay, $10,000 in one trade, a stock, they buy a stock, and each one of them they buy a stock. Suppose that all these guys suppose that all these guys they lose money, and their trades, whenever it is minus, it is in red, it is a loser. But if I ask you the question, if all these people put $10,000 in each stock, if someone has lost from 10,000, he lost $100. Someone has lost $500. Someone has lost $1,000. Sometime and another guy has lost $2,000 or $3,000. All these guys, they have made one loser. But understand that this loser, all these traders are not the same. Okay? In order to explain this very, very well, in order to understand this, I will go and open the thing, explanation thing, and let's see if we can explain that to you guys. Okay? So just to make it clear, so we have winners. Here we have losers. Okay, so okay, if we have one stock and you put $10,000, okay, in this trade, so this is just an example, okay, this is just an example to show you, okay, so winners and losers, okay. Now let's say we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? So let's say one guy has made from one, it's only one stock, okay, one trade. Let's say he made $100 and he made $200. He made $500. He made $2,000 and he made, let's say, $200. So all these trades that this guy has made, all they are called winners. But $100 is only 1% of this $10,000. 200, it is 2%. Okay, and 500 is 5%. Okay, 2,000 is 20%. 200, 2%. Okay, now we do the same with loser. So 100, 200, 5, or let's say 500, 2,200. Okay, so 1%, 2%, 5%, 20%, and 2%. So these are the winners, these are the losers. But understand that this 100 here and this is one loser, they are not that much. It's only 1%. But it is called the winner. Okay? And here, losers also, 100% lost. It's called the loser, but it is just little. Here it is little, and here it is little. Okay? It's not a big deal. Now, the main thing in trading is to make some percentage in high. This is how you can make money. When a trade you do, for example, 20%, you do 10%, you do 30%, you do 50%. These are the trades that are called the trades. But this one, if you compare it to this one, between $1 or 1% and 20%, there is a big difference. But in real, those people, they say it is two winners. Now, as you can see in terms of price, these two, they are not two winners. Although it is a winner, like when you have a definition that it is you are on green. It doesn't mean that when you are in a green that you are a winner. Okay? So in order to prove you this, I give you a proof now about how a person, okay, how a person will make a lot of winners. I give you an example of this 75 winners versus 25 losers. So in real, the people, when they say 75 winners and 25, it doesn't mean that this is good and this is profitable. Okay? This, like when you said, it is profitable. Okay? That the guy is profitable because he has made 75. 75, if he has made only 2% in 60 of them, in 60 of the trades, he has just 2%, 3%, 1%. You know, with little money, it's not a big deal. Okay? So, if this guy here, it means it's the same guy, he has made 25 losers. If this losers, he make 20% of his losers, and he lost a lot, like 20% of his money, you will understand that this guy with 20% of losers, 20% of his money, now 20% with 20 trades. Or let's say, I give you a round number. Just I give you a round number, not to do a lot. Let's say 25 trades. 10 of them is 20 loss, 20% loss in each money. Okay, so if he has done 10, do you understand that he will wipe out his account? Okay, he will wipe out his account if he has done he lost 20% in 10 trades. 10 trades. Let's say he put $10,000 in a trade. He lost 20%. Now, how much money he has in one trade? Okay? So, he will have 8,000. Okay? So, this is his money. 80, no, not 80,000. Sorry. He has $8,000. This is the first trade. If he does the second trade with 20%, second trade, he will have $6,000. The third trade, he will have $4,000. Do you see the problem with these losers? Although he has made only, I'm just giving you a number here. So I say 10, but let's say just 3 of these bad trades, he lost 60% of his money already. It means from 10,000, now he has only 4,000. It means he has lost 60% of his money. So you see, even though he has made just a few losers, he can lose all his money. He is not profitable anymore. So this is the proof that when you say I have losers, it depends on how these losers look like. Now, when we have profitable trades, you should see how they look like. Are they big winners or they're small winners? And this is the problem that most of the people they get into, thinking that if you do 75% profitable trades, that means that you are profitable, which is not the case. So the main thing when you are into your account, okay, you should see what are these winners and what these losers look like. Okay? So I think from this simple demonstration, okay, from this simple demonstration, you understand that the difference between winners and losers is not that big. Okay, it's not that big. So the most important thing when you make losers, you should see, are they big losers or small losers? Now, if they are big losers, now what does it mean? It means that your account will be going down and you are not profitable, you are a loser. And you see that your account is going so fast down, okay? Although you said that you have made a lot of profitable trades, 75 trades that are profitable, but in real, they are winners, yes, in terms of definition. That if you are green, okay, as I told you, if you are green, let's say you have made a trade, $10,000, you bought a stock, but after a few days it goes up, it goes down, and then you decide to sell, and you see that you have made $100. $100 profit, it is called a winner. But in real, is this a winner? If you continue like doing $100 each trade for 10 times, 20, 30, 70 in the whole year, you are not going to make any money. Because if you, on the other side, you lose 10%, 20%, 30% in some trades, all your profits will be gone and you will be down. That's why, hello events trader, that's why what I tell you guys is that these probabilities of trade between losers and winners, you should take care of. He say advanced trader likes. I like the blue. The blue. Yes, I like also the blue of the sun and the beach. You know, it's summer right now, so we should think to go to the beach for some while. It's very good. Now, so as I told you guys, when you think about your account, okay, sometimes you will be doing something wrong for many weeks, many months, and sometimes many years. You should see, for example, if you are seeing that you are losing money, you begin to see your account shrinking. But sometimes you make trades, you make winners, as they say online. And some dashboard they give you, they say you are good because you say it's little cold in New York City. No, man, here it's like 85 or 90. In North Carolina it's hot, so it's very good for us. People are going to the beach these days, man. No, I can't live there in New York. No, I don't like snow and cold. So the best thing that you should always think about is you take the management of your account very, very serious. If you are making big losers, you should stop that. This is one of the best thing I tell you. Now for us, like those who follow me, like in the trading account or in my training, if you get my training, all is available, like how to manage the account, what to do, and the other stuff. So there is a strategy you should follow in order not to be a loser, because a loser is a choice. You choose to be a loser. And you say to me, for example, why should I choose to be a loser? What's the problem? The problem is that you don't have a strategy, and you see that you are losing too much, and you continue losing too much, okay, without doing anything. Now, after a while, after a few days, few weeks, few months, and 1 year or 2 or 3, most of the people, even if you have big money, you bring $50,000, $70,000, $100,000, $200,000, you have a lot of money, but you fail to manage your account according to the rules of trading. So since you fail, you begin just to trade and you don't know what you are doing. And then you don't know why you make many good trades, but your account is still going down. Okay? Advanced Trader said, Kareem, are you gonna bring new info to the room? So, Advanced Trader, if you think, I'm just telling you the truth, if you think that you are staying here and you don't get anything, information, or if you know anything, I think you should go to some other place to watch a movie. Okay? I'm not doing here like entertainment. So please, Advanced Trader, if you think the statement that you said is too bad, okay, I am not reading books and coming here to tell you what you should do. Okay, this is from my training. This is for what I do in life. So if you think that you know everything here, I just tell you to go somewhere else, because for me, I am a very polite person, but when someone begins to play with his tail, I cut his tail here. Okay? Now, let's continue, because for me, even if I have only one who is watching me and following my suggestions and my training, it's better than to have 1,000 or 10,000 who are not interested. okay? Because I'm not doing a movie here. So if someone is thinking that this is a movie here, you are wrong. I am not for entertainment. I am speaking about business. I'm speaking about something which is serious, and this is what makes the people money. If you don't know, you think that you know, but most of the time you don't know. If you are still losing money for 1 year, 2 years, and you are trading and you are still losing money, this is what I'm talking about. This is the solutions I'm talking about. But people, when it gets to the work, people, they get lazy. They think carrying a business like trading is not a business. It is just magic. You do this, you don't do that. Jocelyn said, well, I think you are very entertaining and interesting. Thank you very much. But I know, Jocelyn, I know when you say entertaining and interesting, this is because you follow me and I know you are my student. But I'm thinking about other people who they think I have a magic formula. Just I tell them like a magic formula that they should drink like a juice, you know, in a cup. I might be in the future selling like a bottle of juice. A bottle of juice, and in this juice I have all my magic formula. You just drink it and you become profitable next day. Okay, so thank you very much, guys. Now let's continue, guys. Okay, so why when I say always about, do you know that in my training, the most training that people they don't buy, it is those training that they make the money. Because making the money, it's not only where to buy or where to put stop loss or where to exit. This is not. There are other things more important than that. And these things, the people who want to learn, when they control, they master their trade, they master their account, they will be very cautious. If anything turns to be bad, they will fix it right away and check what's wrong. Okay, that's why most of the people, when they especially those people who try to trade like whatever they trade, always the same thing, and they don't get interested in anything, then just buy sell buy sell buy sell buy sell. They make some winners, they make some losers, but although they make more winners than losers, but still they fail to trade good and they lose money. This is the subject of today. Now, this subject, I know it's a boring subject. I know it's boring because you need to understand and practice. It needs some work from you guys. For me, why I said I don't work that much in trading, because I take care of the management of my account. But buying and selling is so easy for me. It's just I search, I find the stock, I buy it. Okay? If it goes good, I stay. If it doesn't, I sell it and buy another one. These are the rules of my strategies. Now, managing the account is more difficult. It needs time. It needs to see what's wrong in your account. What's wrong? Because I'm giving you an example. Okay? Let's go to the thing again. Let's go again to explain. For this, I will just. Okay. For this, I will just give you an example. You made 10 trades. Okay? You make 10 trades. Each trade, you have made 5%. Okay? So here you have made trades 10. 5%. So what does it mean? How much money you make? 10 trades, 5%, you make, in general, you make 50% of your money. Okay? 50%, it means 10,000. Now you have a $15,000 after these 10 trades. Now this is 10 trades, okay? This is what we make. But now let's say these 10 trades, you did them in 3 months. Just an example, okay? You bought and you sold, 10 trades. We are doing here swing trading. I'm not speaking about day trading. You can do day trading also, but we are speaking about swing trading. Now the losers, you do 5 losers only. So at the beginning, when I say to you 5 and I say you 10, what do you think? You think that this guy or you or me, you think that you are profitable because you have $15,000. 5 losers, okay? Now, 1 you lose 20%, 1 you lose, 2 you lose 10%, 10%, okay? Then you lose another one, let's say 25%, and then you lose someone 5%. So these are only 5 trades. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Here you lose, you make 10 by 5. So here I don't give you a lot of things like this. Just to understand the idea. It doesn't matter the thing. Okay? So 20 plus 10, 30, 40, 65, 70. Now, you have lost 70%. This is just an example, okay? Just an example. You lost 70% in your losers, although they are 5, but you lose 70. 70% out of 10,000, okay? How much is it? It is 7,000. 7,000, it means the 5, it's gone, and you lost 2,000 more. So what is your account now? The account now is only 8,000. Now, if I tell you how come you do 10 trades that are good, 5 losers that are bad, and you are down. Normally you should be up because you have 10 trades. Now, why I give you this example in general, this is just an example, just to tell you that 10 trades doesn't mean that it is better than 5 losers. It doesn't mean that. So, in order to be sure, you should see how much you make in each trade, and the other side, how much you lose in each trade. This what determines if you are a professional trader or you are a loser. I'm telling you an example is that you can make 35% winners and and 65 losers, and you can be profitable. So you ask me, how is that? How you make 25% winners, just 35%, and 65% losers, and you are winner? This is what most of the professional traders do. So professional traders, okay, professional traders make less winners, but they are profitable. Okay, so let's put them in green. It's better than red. Okay, so professional traders make less winners, but they are profitable. Now here is all about probabilities, because 35 winners, most of these winners are excellent. Now these winners, you are making money, real money. You are not making 1% trade. This for me, this is not a winner. This, I consider it as a loser, because you are not making any money. How can you say you're a winner and you don't make money? Okay? So all your trades that are not making any money or little money, you can consider them as losers, because they are not good. So in order to make money, you should have your winners as big winners in order to win. But 65% of losers, they should be small losers. Small. They shouldn't be big. Now, let's go again. Let's go. Let's continue what we are saying. Is that